channel. Hey, what is up? My name is Jenny. If you're a returning subscriber, hey, what is up? I hope you're having a good day. If you are interested in today's look, it is a spring look. Yeah, just keep on watching. Hey everyone, I'm gonna start off by moisturizing my face. I got this at the store. I'm not really sure if I have eczema, but on the bottle it says relieves 5 signs of eczema: itchiness, dryness, peeling, roughness, and red irritation. And I have 4 out of 5 of that. So yeah. For my eyebrows, I will be using the NYX Professional Makeup in Espresso. To clean up and conceal my eyelids, I will be using the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in medium beige. The palette for today's look is the ColourPop Baby Got Peach. The first color I'm going to go into is the color Darling, and I'm going to be putting that all over my eyelid. With a small blending brush, I'm going into the color Perky and putting that in my crease area. With the shade Half Baked, I will be going to the outer third of my crease area and blending that out. With a small flat brush, I will be going into Glazed It and putting that in the lid area. As you can see, I'm just wetting my brush to get more of the pigment on my eyelid area. The next shade I'll be going into is the shade Ready or Yacht, and I will be placing that on top of the other shade I had on my eyelid area. With my small blending brush, I'm just going to go back into the shade Darling and putting that in my crease area. For my inner corner, I will be going into the color Get Even, and I will be using my finger to pat that in. With a pencil brush, I'll be going into the shade Half Baked and blending that to my lower lash line. For my waterline, I'll be using the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk Latte. To conceal my imperfections, I'll be using the LA Colors Conceal Correct. For foundation, I will be using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. So I'm pretty sure I did this step wrong, but I'm just baking. I think you're supposed to bronze or contour and then bake, but I mean, you live and you learn, and I'm still beginner, so yeah. With the Profusion Highlight and Contour palette, I will be going into the shade Light Tan and contouring. After contouring the necessary areas that I need help on, I'll be grabbing a fluffy brush to wipe off all the baked powder off my face. For highlight, I'll be using the Milani highlighter in Bella Shifen. For blush, I'll be using the Sephora Tangerine Tease Duo Blush. For lashes, I'll be using Eler London by Thalia, and the name of the lashes are Power Play. The lashes came with glue, but we're not going to use that. We're going to be using the Kiss Adhesive Eyelash Glue. As you can see, I'm just curling my lashes to help get those falsies on. For lips, I'll be using the NYX Whipped Faux in Cocoa Bean.
There's heavy on my mind. Then I look at you, and the world's alright with me.
So, this is today's look. Hopefully you like it. If you liked it, please like, subscribe, and let me know what you guys thought. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and